I'm Sioned Williams. I'm the member of the Sioned for the South Wales West region. I got into politics to try and help people, to try and address some of the deep-rooted challenges we face as a society, and to support those who are working hard to make a difference in their community. If you live in the city and county of Swansea, or the county boroughs of Neath, Port Talbot and Bridgend, then I'm here to represent you. I want to hear about the issues that are important to you and any problems that you are facing. I want to hear about the work you're doing and how I can help. You can get in touch with me by phone, by email, through social media, or by making an appointment to come and see my staff and I here at our office in Neath. We can assist you with a wide variety of issues, such as the environment, health, education, town centre, security, community issues, local services, and much, much more. I understand these are difficult times. The cost of living crisis and the pandemic have amplified many of the challenges that we've been facing for years. But if you need any support or advice, please get in touch. And my staff and I will do our very best to help you. And I'll be a strong voice for you in the Senedd.